Okay, we're back with Gabby Candle 123. I have something off from eBay to unbox. It's a wireless keyboard for my iPad, so right now I'm using the iPad stand as a camera stand. I'm sorry. Take a moment. Not sure there's a receipt inside. Oh well. Doesn't say anything at the box. They also have a stylus for the iPad. Here's the keyboard itself. That's basically it. There's how to set up the keyboard. You'll also need to get your own set of AAA batteries, which is not included, but just want to show you this keyboard. I didn't expect the stylus to come with it. Yeah, I got this from eBay for $14. So that's a keyboard I'm gonna be using for my iPad. So I'm gonna pair this up and see how it looks. Okay, so I got the batteries installed on my keyboard, so we're gonna do the pairing process. I have to turn this on. A little blue light indicator should come up. So I'm gonna go to settings in my iPad. And then while it says searching, you need to tap on connect. So now the battery is blinking. I'm sorry, the LED indicator is blinking. And then there should be the Bluetooth keyboard. You have to enter the code 8193. Each pin code's going to be different each time you pair your keyboard. So, 1, 3. There you go, you should be connected. It's also got some specific keys for the iPad. So, you can go brightness up or down. You can search. You can also bring up the keyboard or not. Play, fast forward, backward, or I'm not sure how to describe it. The mute, the volume up or down buttons, and the lock. So I'm gonna be typing a new note. Gonna be saying. This is a test of my brand new keyboard from eBay. I said T. eBay. eBay. I think this is a great alternative to the Apple wireless keyboard for only $14, plus you get a stylus with it, which if you're gonna write notes on it or something, then I think this is great for the iPad, especially since Apple doesn't invent styluses for the iPad. So that's gonna do for me, guys, in this video. So I'll see you later.